Jenny laced up her running shoes and stepped outside. Though it was still early, the summer's sun was already warming the air. She took a deep breath and began to jog down her street. Today was Global Running Day, and she was determined to go farther than she ever had before. Global Running Day was established in 2009 to inspire people to live an active lifestyle. On the first Wednesday of June every year, runners all over the world lace up their shoes and take part in events to motivate others to start running. For many, running provides mental and physical benefits that improve well-being and happiness. Running has been an important part of human history. Our ancestors ran to hunt and survive, and competitive racing dates back to the original Olympic Games in ancient Greece. Today, running is one of the most popular sports and forms of exercise. It provides an easy, affordable way for people of all ages and abilities to get active and stay in shape. Studies show that running can add years to your life and life to your years. It reduces the risk of health conditions like heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, and some cancers. Running also improves bone health and muscle strength, and releases hormones like endorphins that act as natural mood boosters and stress busters. To mark Global Running Day, runners participate in group runs, virtual challenges, and races in cities worldwide. In the US, the largest event is the Global Running Day Relay, where runners pass a virtual baton across the country over 24 hours. Major marathons like London, New York, and Beijing also host special runs. Many people share their experiences on social media using the hashtag Global Running Day to motivate others in the running community. As Jenny ran down the empty streets, she felt a rush of joy and accomplishment. She made it farther than her usual route, inspired by being part of something bigger than herself. Global Running Day reminded her of the power of physical activity and human connection to uplift both body and spirit. Her feet may have led her forward step by step, but her heart was lifted by the thought of all those around the world joining together to run on this day. June 5 is Global Running Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Global Running Day. Cheers!